sophisticated solutions. Don't you agree, Ibarra? But enough about them. Let's talk more about me. Where should I begin, querida? I am Doña Victorina de los Reyes de Espadaña, a woman of refinement, ambition, and elegance trapped in this dusty backward land of Indios. But do not mistake me as one of them. Even as a child, I refused their ways. While others played barefoot under the sun, I powdered my face and studied the manners of a true European ladies. My greatest ambition? To rise above my roots and become the very image of a Spanish senora. And I succeeded. I discovered that Tagalog, it is a language for cooks and servants, not for someone like me, and perfected my Castilian accent. I adorned myself with imported silk and gold-threaded dresses. See this dress I wear? It is not for the mass. But, of course, a woman of my stature needed a suitable husband. Don Tiburcio de Espadaña, a Spaniard. True, he was no hero, but with my guidance, I turned him into a gentleman. Or tried to. Without me, he would be nothing but a trampling stamp. And the CEO, the disappointments. He is a coward, always hiding to avoid my scolding. Can you imagine? A man fleeing from his own wife. I carried the weight of our household, our reputation, his dignity, and our image in this society. Society. How they mock, how they whisper. They dare question my Spanola blood, calling me pretentious. Me, a woman who has done everything to rise above this land's mediocrity. But let them laugh. They do not understand the strength it takes to be a woman like me. Every morning I powder my face, adjust my hair, tighten my corset, and remind myself I am Doña Victorina de los Reyes de Espadaña, a shining light of Manila society, the epitome of elegance and grace. The epitome of elegance and grace. They do not understand the strength it takes to be someone like me. Let them stare. Let them gossip. Because I know that I will always rise above them. Tiburcio, what do you think? If only my nose were a little higher and my skin even fairer, I would be perfect. Unlike this naked woman who don't even touch their own. Vamos, Tiburcio.